Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to get wisdom medals in Dark War Survival. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the game itself. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and get wisdom medals in Dark War Survival. So wisdom medals are a rare research currency in Dark War Survival. The main ways to get them are Alliance Duel, so this is the best and most consistent source. The Alliance Shop, spend your Alliance coins or wisdom medals. The purchase limit of course resets weekly, so it's recommended to buy them weekly. Capital Shop, if your server has unlocked it, wisdom medals can also be purchased there. Special events, event such as survival, of course, Apoca treasures can reward wisdom medals, and we have special offers. So occasionally the game sells packs containing wisdom medals. The best strategy? Well, buy all available wisdom medals from the Alliance shop every week. Prioritize the dual research tree first, as it increases your Alliance dual rewards, allowing you to earn even more wisdom medals over time. Most experienced players recommend finishing the duel before investing heavily in battle strategy. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.